So what are you working on the computer there?
Design work, doing body mounts, battery trays, side skid plates for C-Max 2.
Cool, and that's on the C-Max 2. There's one.
Yeah,
That
this is
one,
my test mule there. I chop it up and play with stuff and have a great time with it.
so there's a whole bunch of stuff when you come here, but these are the chassis rails. There's 4 of them here. So these are the black ones. Cool. So that's your whole new chassis. That's the C-Max 2, which is a little bit more affordable than the other one because it's less customizable, right?
Yeah, you're right about that. So instead of having all the different mount holes all the way along and lots of wheelbase and suspension options, now we've simplified it to do link suspension with 2 wheelbases and still all the same scale stuff. So you get all the goodness with less price.
Cool. And when you get on the computer, what you're doing like in 3D, that's really neat. And this is where it gets kind of fun for me is that you do it all in virtual space first for the computer.
Yeah, so we actually produce the files to fit all the different components of the parts that you can't machine. You know, like this is an inner fender for the Blazer Delta, and then you can 3D print these at home and you have a really nice product. But it starts on the computer, of course.
Cool. And right now you're working on the computer for a battery tray for that Jeep?
Yes, so I'm working on putting the Helios 3-cell 1500 battery under the seats. And there's lots of room under there for this battery to fit. So I just have to make the proper tray to go on the chassis, and that's what this has been started right here. There's a little bit of a socket here made for the battery, and then we'll eventually turn it into a full slider. So it's integrated right into the chassis rail.
Cool. So you can actually make this so you can actually do a battery tray from underneath also if you want it with a door.
Yeah, we do have some of those. The C-Max Blazer uses the flip-down battery doors. So, okay. Yeah, it can be all done from the bottom, too.
That's really neat that you can all do that virtually even before putting it on to make sure everything fits. Cool. And we got Junior just came in.
Say hi.
Say hi, YouTube. No, it doesn't want to say hi, YouTube. So the fun part when you come here, there's always nice things and nice truck that he's working on. So that's his second Blazer that he's actually doing.
Yeah, can't wait.
It's all the scale item, all the small little stuff, that's what makes it kind of cool. And finding the material also to do those seats, that's kind of tricky, I find.
Yeah.
Cool. And we have tiny tires. Very small tires. Cool. And thanks for the quick visit.
Thanks for coming over.